Have you ever wondered how psychologists really know what they're talking about? It's not magic, but it does involve a healthy dose of skepticism. When we read about fascinating studies in psychology, it's tempting to just accept the findings. However, it's super important to develop your critical thinking skills and question what you read. Why? Because not all research is created equal. Some studies are more trustworthy than others, and knowing how to tell the difference is key. Imagine reading about a study that claims listening to a certain type of music makes you smarter. That's a big claim. Before you swap out your entire playlist, wouldn't you want to know if the study was well designed, and if the results actually hold up? That's where GRAVE comes in. GRAVE is a handy acronym that stands for Generalizability, Reliability, Application, Validity, and Ethics. It provides a framework for evaluating psychology studies and separating the groundbreaking from the questionable. By using GRAVE, you can become a savvy consumer of research and make informed judgments about the information you encounter. Let's dive into a real-life example to see GRAVE in action. In 2011, Britta Holzel and her colleagues conducted a study on the effects of mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR, on the brain. MBSR is a type of meditation training that teaches people to pay attention to the present moment without judgment. The researchers wanted to find out if practicing MBSR could actually change the brain structure and function. In their study, Holzel et al. Randomly assigned participants to either an MBSR group or a control group. The MBSR group participated in an 8-week program, while the control group did not. Before and after the 8 weeks, both groups underwent brain scans. The results were quite interesting. The researchers found that the MBSR group showed increases in gray matter concentration in certain brain regions associated with learning, memory, and emotional regulation. Now let's put on our detective hats and evaluate this study using GRAVE generalizability. This refers to whether the findings of a study can be applied to a larger population beyond the participants who were studied. In the Holzel et al. Study, the participants were mostly white and well-educated. Can we confidently say that the same brain changes would occur in people from different backgrounds and cultures? This is where generalizability comes into play. It's important to consider the sample used in a study and whether it reflects the diversity of the population being studied. Reliability. Reliability is all about consistency. If the study were repeated with a different group of people, would we get similar results? This is an important question because consistent findings give us more confidence in the results. In the mindfulness study, if other researchers replicated the study using the same methods and found similar brain changes, it would strengthen our belief in the reliability of the findings. Application. How can the findings be applied in the real world? This is where we consider the practical implications of the research. The Holzel et al. Study suggests that MBSR could potentially be used to improve mental health and well-being in various settings, such as schools, workplaces, and healthcare. However, more research is needed to explore the potential applications fully. Validity. Validity refers to whether a study actually measures what it claims to measure. In the case of the MBSR study, did the brain scans truly reflect changes in gray matter concentration due to mindfulness training, or were there other factors at play? It's crucial to consider whether the study design and methods were rigorous enough to support the claims being made. Ethics. Ethical considerations are paramount in any research involving human participants. Were the participants in the MBSR study properly informed about the risks and benefits of participating? Did they give informed consent? Ethical research ensures the well-being and autonomy of all participants. By using GRAVE, we can ask critical questions about research studies and evaluate their strengths and weaknesses. Remember, not all research is perfect, and even well-conducted studies have limitations. However, by applying GRAVE, you can become a more discerning consumer of information and develop your ability to think critically about the world around you. So the next time you encounter a fascinating psychology study, remember GRAVE, and ask yourself, is this research truly GRAVE-worthy?